Welcome to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log into your Tesco Bank's online banking account. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you can easily log into your Tesco online banking account by downloading its app, but I will show you how you guys can do it through browser because in app it's really simple, so I don't have to show you. But in browser there are some few steps. Like the first step is search for Tesco Bank login like this, and once you search for Tesco Bank login, click on the first link over here and it will take you to the login page. And once you're in the login page where it says username, enter the username of your account and then just click on login, and on the next step it'll ask for the password of your account. Once you enter the password of your account after this step, you should be able to log into your account. And if you have forgotten your username or password, you can just click on I have forgotten to recover them. Alright, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye.